What is up, everybody? Welcome and welcome back to my channel. Now today's video is going to be short and sweet. I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a pre-poo at home if you do not have aloe juice. This is an alternative pre-poo. So I'll be starting off using my Aunt Jackie's Soft and Sassy Super Duper Softening Conditioner. Now you've seen me use this conditioner in a lot of videos and you guys should check those out as well. And for my oil, I'll be using the Rosemary Scalp Stimulating Oil Treatment. Now, as you can see at the back, you can also use this as a hot oil treatment. This oil is really good to stimulate growth, and you've seen this in a few of my videos. And that is an old Tupperware little plastic bowl, which I'll be using as my mixing bowl. And over there, I have some boiling water ready. And in the sink, I have like is it metal or steel? But yeah, I'll be showing you guys how I'll be using that later on. And then I have this little fork that I'll be using to mix. Now getting on to mixing. I will be taking about three forks, or you can use a spoon, but 3 of those. And I'm actually just dispersing the conditioner so that it can like lay flat, but I'll be showing you guys how I'll be doing it. I'll be turning the bowl around in a few minutes, and there we go. This conditioner is really good, guys. And then I'll be throwing, well, I didn't really estimate how much, but I just threw in as I saw fit. But I would recommend throwing in like 5 or 6 drops of any type of essential oil. Now that my mixture is all mixed, this is the reason why I use like that silver type of bowl to set my conditioner or my mixture in, because it keeps the temperature warm. And then I'll be putting a plastic bag over so that it can steam, kind of like steaming on your hair. And now we're gonna wait for 30 minutes. Time is up. Now that is what my mixture looks like. And it's a little bit more runny, more watery, as you guys can see. And that mixture is going to go into my hair. And now we're moving on to application. Now, as you can see, my hair is totally dry and it has gunk and everything in it. So usually I work in 4 sections. So I'm creating my sections, and now I am off to my first section. And I'm doing a little bit of detangling, or trying to, and then I spray my hair off with a little bit of hot water just to get it a little bit damp before I put on the mixture. And now I am applying the mixture. Guys, apply this evenly, distribute it evenly throughout your entire hair, your hair shaft, but most importantly, massage it into your scalp. It doubles up as a scalp massage and as a pre-poo, because the oil stimulates your hair growth, the rosemary oil. So yeah, it doubles up as both. So now I'm just getting those little hairs at the back, and I'm giving you guys a close-up of what it looks like. And I'm pretty sure you can see the difference. Don't mind my pimples, guys. And I'm pretty sure you can see the difference in moisture. This was me putting moisture back into my hair. Now I'm giving you guys a close-up of what my curls look like when it's all moisturized and it doesn't look as brittle as it looked when I started this video. So I'm just giving you guys a close-up, and I'm trying a finger coil on the side of my head for some reason. Like, I got lost in my hair for a minute, you guys. And now I'm doing the front section, and after that, I'm just showing you guys up and close what it looks like after applying the mixture to your hair. And my hair has been awfully dry lately, so I really needed this pre-poo. So I am just wrapping up the last piece. And if you have any excess left, you can apply that all over your hair. Don't let it go to waste, guys. Like, don't don't let it go to waste. Like, apply the whole thing, even if you have to throw it all over your head. Especially for those back sides, like the back of your head. There's always a dry patch on the back of your head, and I don't know why, but I have that dry patch. And now I'm just rubbing it on my edges and on the back of my head, as you guys just saw. And guys, take your time with this. Be gentle to your hair. Now I'm just putting on my shower cap. I love these shower caps, guys. Like, they create a lot of heat. And then my plastic bag for extra heat. That is going to seal in all that conditioner into my hair. And it's going to keep my hair steaming throughout the night. Now that the shower cap is secure, I'll be sleeping with this. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And thank you guys for watching.